November the 29th. Later on, however, Hebrews chapter 12, verse 11. There is a legend that tells of a German baron who, at his castle on the Rhine, stretched wires in the air from tower to tower so that the wind might treat them as a wind harp and thereby create music as it blew across them. Yet, as the soft breezes swirled around the castle, no music was born. One night, however, a fierce storm arose, and the hill where the castle sat was struck with the fury of the violent wind. The baron looked out his doorway on the terror of the wind, and the wind harp was filling the air with melodies that rung out even above the noise of the storm. It had taken a fierce storm to produce the music. Haven't we all known people whose lives have never produced any pleasing music during their days of calm prosperity, but who, when fierce winds have blown across their lives, have astonished us by the power and beauty of their music? Rain, rain, beating against the pane, how endlessly it pours out of doors from the darkened sky. I wonder why. Flowers, flowers, springing up after showers, blossoming fresh and fair everywhere. God has now explained why it rained. You can always count on God to make the later on of difficulties 1,000 times richer and better than the present, if we overcome them correctly. No discipline seems pleasant at the time. Later on, however, it produces a harvest of righteousness and peace. Hebrews chapter 12, verse 11. What a year